What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Right behind me we have the 125. We're getting it ready for the race this weekend. It is the day before I'm leaving and there's a bunch of stuff to do to this thing. Let's take a look at it. We got the new graphics. It's looking pretty good. Cracked my pipe again, this time before like a pretty big step up double. So I welded it, and then you got this new crack, and you know, I'm done with it. I was supposed to buy one on Marketplace, but I got ghosted. But Cole Butler came through, so we got the FMF Gold Series Fatty with the shorty combo. I'm pretty excited. We got Grace's fence removal on there. Basically what we're doing is putting a kill switch on, new throttle cable, new throttle housing, clean the carb out, check the reeds, clean air filter, water pump seal is gone. So I've been pouring coolant at the gate, just drip by drip, but people are always like, dude, your bike's leaking. I'm like, yeah, I know it does that. And then they turn around and talk to their buddy about how sketchy it is. When I could just keep adding coolant, but it's like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to tackle this project right now, but I think we will. Right now I'm just getting that kill switch dialed. Just had to snag it off the little 98 back there. Let's take a look at this project. We got that project. We got this project. This thing runs. And this is the old trusty. You gotta have one trustworthy bike. This one's trustworthy too, but it tends to break. But yeah, it's this bike's come a long ways. All right, guys, I better start this thing because I just put a kill switch from a 1998 dirt bike on it, and I don't know if it works. Also, it has a new head pipe, so I'm gonna be the noisy neighbor. You know, we don't know what it's gonna do. We don't know if I'll be able to shut it off, so I gotta go for the spark plug wire. All right, here she is. No choke. Oh, damn. That's depressing. Oh man, just losing compression every kick. See, this is what I was afraid of. The fucking kill switch sounds like it's cock blocking me. Finally got this thing started. It took like 3 hard bump starts and it did not want to go. Kicked it probably 100 times. This has always been a first kick type of bike. But yeah, she's running good. Now we're gonna see if we can actually start it with the Kickstarter. Guys, all loaded up.
White roll, 20 hoes, white gold, mink roll, lot of pink toes, Ricky O, Margiela, you didn't know. We pop G6s, made the bitch go sicko mode. Up the status, I busted down the bitch the baddest. The rest in the attic, I doubled the money, don't mathematics. My car's the fastest, I'm flipping the bitch, I'm knowing gymnastics. I Elliot Diamond, I twinkle the wrist, you need some glasses. It's hard to catch them, I bulletproof control, I can move in madness. They thought it would matter.
It is 11:05. We just got camp set up here. Grace in the cut. What do you got to say about today's trip?
It was pretty good.
We saw a bull elk.
We did. We saw a really big bull elk. Really big.
Really big.
Yeah, I was just standing there by the road.
Yeah.
Now I'm killing 1,000 different flies.
I think the bugs are too small for the screens, so they have breached our parameter.
They breached the system.
Yep, but we got camp out there set up. We definitely parked a little too close to people, but that's the 11 o'clock roll-in life, you know? The 10:30. That's how it goes. It's a dirt bike race. But yeah, there's update in the vlog here. I forgot my GoPro, so Grace is really gonna put in the steps tomorrow, and she's gonna get the best footage for you guys. We're counting on her. Yep.
Okay, you can't really see Cole right now because he's behind the little rock. Go.
Off the track.
college boy class. 37, Cole Anson in your number 2 spot, and Langston Steffen. The loading cargo actually was tripping.
Gotta go.